Okay, we're still looking at like bigger enterprise design systems. We're gonna take a look at Carbon. I remember looking at this. I never used it on any projects, but I do remember it being pretty solid. So I don't know about the latest updates. I see they do have breakpoints, layers. I don't know if they have the colors yet or if they have light and dark mode. Hard to do this. Side, theming. So they have a bunch of themes. So I imagine this could be like a light and dark mode. And that's good to know. Pretty robust, documented, custom fonts, which again, if you don't want to use the same boring inter over and over again, you can do it. Also, it's integrated pretty well with code. So have the tokens there, you can use it storyboard. I like that they do have some examples and oh, these are just the screen sizes. I was expecting for something to load. But yeah, as you can see, it's like pretty well documented as expected from like an enterprise level from IBM. It would have been nice to see some examples. Obviously, they're going to cover everything, forms, everything is going to be done well. The stylistic choices, again, subjective. I'm not going to dive deep into that. But obviously they look into like accessibility, contrast, stuff like that. That's very good to see. Yeah, everybody's done well with total layout and stuff. So pretty nice. Nothing really to complain about. They do have, I see here, some kind of examples of how to use like some of their components. But again, this is supposed to be like a library. I would imagine they'd have a separate page if you want actual examples of screen designs. That would have been nice to have at least a couple of them. Overall, this looks like a very good documented complex system if you need something solid with lots of options. Yeah, we could probably spend a lot of time looking into this, but if you've used any of the IBM newer design stuff, it's pretty good. Nice job.